Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can start screen recording using your iPhone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to start screen recording using your iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to swipe down on the top right corner of your screen to open the control center of your iPhone. And here in the control center, next, I want you to look for this icon if you can find it, since this icon is the screen recorder of iPhone. But if you can't find it here, the reason for that is because you haven't added it to your control center yet. This is common if your phone is new. So to add the screen recorder to your control center, just tap this plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. And then tap this add a control option right here. And after that, you will now be able to see all the controls that you can add to your control center. So just find the screen recorder option. Most of the time you can easily find it just at the top section. Once you've found it, just go and select it. And after that, there you go guys. The screen recorder button will now be added to your control center. So just tap this button to start recording your screen. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.